Today I'll teach you how to fix a TikTok photo swipe not working problem. First thing, if you're facing this problem, is to check for update, because this feature is only available in the latest version of TikTok. So go to your app store and search for TikTok. If it shows you open over here, that means that TikTok is up to date. But if it shows you update instead of open, you need to click on that and update your TikTok. And even after updating your TikTok, if it's still not fixed, then you can just delete your TikTok app and reinstall it again. Because sometimes a bug causes this problem, so just deleting and reinstalling should fix your issue. And if your problem is still not fixed and you're still not receiving the TikTok photo swipe feature, then what you can do is just report this problem. Just click on profile at the bottom right and click on the 3-line at the top and go on versus settings and privacy, and from settings and privacy scroll a bit down and click on report a problem. From over here, you just want to scroll all the way down on the bottom until you see submit to report. Click on that and then over here submit to report. Just want to write this: I don't have the TikTok photo swipe feature available on my TikTok. Can you help me fix it? Click on submit and this report will be submitted to TikTok, and TikTok staff will view it and they'll help you fix the problem. So that's how you guys can fix it. TikTok's photo swipe not working. Hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide. I'll see you guys next time.